Okay, here we go with the Ryobi 1 Plus, the 18 volt 1 Plus. We've got an 8-inch, 18 volt cordless pruning chainsaw, oil-free design, hassle-free cutting, compact, lightweight, and an 8-inch bar. Okay, so let's check this out. Here we go. You've got instructions and manuals and all that kind of stuff. You've got your chainsaw, and you also have a, this is a bar end protector. Okay, so if you look at the chainsaw itself, comes with the blade already on there. Okay, but this is a end protector. You put that right on the edge, that way it doesn't do any kickback. If you happen to cut and then you hit the side of a tree, it won't do any kickback. You can put that on there. But anyway, this is what the chainsaw looks like. It's got the trigger here and then a safety lock here, so you got to pull that back, then press the trigger down. This is where you put your battery on, 18 volt. I'm going to probably be using a high capacity battery, so it'll just last longer. Then you also have a spot for your wrench and screwdriver combo, and that's going to be used to take this off, and also use this to do the tension on your chain as well. Okay, then you've got a safety guard here, I guess, for your hand. One hand here, one hand here. So this is obviously looking like a right-handed chainsaw, but I mean, it feels pretty light, pretty compact. So let's get a battery on there and check it out. Okay, so let's use a few different batteries. Doesn't come with batteries at all, but we've got a 1.3 amp battery here. Let's check out the sound on it, or what it sounds like, I guess. Pull this back. Okay. And now let's move up to a 4 amp battery, your standard 4 amp double stack high capacity battery. Okay. Oh, definitely more power. Yeah, definitely more power with the high capacity. It'll definitely last longer if you're wanting to cut a lot of trees or cut a lot of pruning branches and stuff like that. Okay. Here is a double stack, but this is also the plus HP. So a little bit more power. Let's see. You can hear the difference. So definitely gonna have more power. Let's do just a quick test on this cardboard box. Here we go. Oh yeah, messy in here, but it's definitely gonna cut. So anyway, let's take it outside and check out cutting a few small branches. So what I'm actually wanting to use this for are all these little tiny saplings and things like that, as well as cutting up some small firewood, but let's test it out right here. Okay, here we go. This ought to do it. Oh yeah, cut super easy. Let's take another section. Yeah, it's easily gonna cut through things. And it's also gonna be easy to cut things off level with the ground as well. Super good tool, works really well. Let's go with something a little bit thicker. Oh yeah, works perfect. Now let's cut some chunks up. Yep, definitely will work for cutting just about anything. Yep, works great. Okay, let's test it on something a little bit thicker. Yeah, this will work great. So that is a pretty decent sized branch. If you're gonna go any bigger, then you might as well use a full-size chainsaw. But if you do need something compact and small, lightweight, you can use one hand to hold it, or two hands if you got to put a little bit more pressure on it. Definitely wouldn't run this into the dirt, because you know this chain is not going to last very long. 8 inches with that few of teeth. If you hit the dirt, it's going to get dull. So anyway, definitely check this out. Good little saw to have if you're doing a lot of little stuff. Anyway, highly recommend. Definitely check it out.